CISC 190. Today I'm going to be tracing code using an array to create a method that will create an array of numbers which will represent prices, and then use a for loop to apply a discount to all of those numbers and store that in a new variable. And this will represent discounting a bunch of items in an online store. So the first thing that I'm going to do is write public class discount close and make sure that my file name matches by saying discount close.java. I'm going to put the line we always use, public static void main string args, and then I'm going to create our array. So the array I've called Gene prices, and that's going to be a double variable that contains 5 prices, so the index length is 5, and I show that to you in a little diagram that I'll be referencing throughout this tutorial. So I used double as a type because I'm storing prices as numbers, and prices will have decimals like $50.99. So I wanted to represent that accurately with the code. The next thing I am going to do is create a variable called discount amount, which you'll see right here, and that is also going to be a double variable because it's a percentage. So like 0.5, for example, would be 50% off. And I'm going to be multiplying this discount amount to every price in the Gene prices array. And then I'm going to store this new price in another double variable that I create called sale price. So the last thing I do is write index equals 0. And we can reference back to my chart, and you can see that since the index length is 5, we go up to index 4. So now we can set up our for loop, and what we do for that is the purpose of that is it's going to run through every number in the Gene prices array and multiply it by a discount, and like I just mentioned, store it in the new variable sale price. So we initialize our loop by writing I equals 0. We write down that the loop will run as long as I is less than the Gene prices.length, and then increment it. The last thing we do is print the result sale price, which we're storing in a different place than the original Gene prices. So I'm going to go ahead and run it, and you'll see that we have all our prices. For example, the original was 50 and then 60, and the results are 25, 30, and so on. So you can see that after we run it, all the sale prices are 50% less than the original. And the way I got that to show was I had us print out a string the sale price is, and then I had it display sale price. Another way to do this would have been omitting the sale price variable and just having our calculation for the for loop be sale price equals sale price times discount amount, and that would have just changed so it could have been Gene prices, equals Gene prices times discount amount, is what I meant to say. And what that would have done is just store the new amount in the place of the old amount and not store it in a separate variable, but so that we could store both arrays. That's why I created the new sale price, and that's how we have these results printed. So this is kind of like an Excel command that we just coded out manually using Java.